What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make jalapeno poppers. So, cheers, let's cook. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees, and now the first thing we're gonna do is prep our jalapenos. So I have a dozen jalapenos here. I'm gonna cut them in half, and then just scoop out those seeds. We're gonna do that to each one of those, so they're nice and clean. Next, we're going to make our filling. To our stand mixer, we will add 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. I have 4 ounces of shredded white cheddar cheese. Then a ½ pound of diced cooked bacon. Got 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, as well as 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Now I'm just going to put on my paddle attachment and mix that all together. Our filling is nicely mixed together, so now I'm just going to fill each one of our jalapenos that I have on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. We got our peppers filled, so now it's time to go into our 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. We have an absolutely beautiful platter of jalapeno poppers here. No time at all, super easy to make. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. You can just click that little picture of me in the corner. I would really appreciate it. Guys, cheers, and I'll see you next time.